Hey and welcome. This is Don Pesce. I want to talk to you today about Digital Performer and track folders. So, if you look on my session here, I have several different tracks here. I have a MIDI track. I have a number of drum tracks here, and then I have a guitar track. And I want to show you how to do folders because when you have a lot of different tracks going, what happens is you tend to get confused if you have things not labeled. I like to put everything I have in folders where I have all my auxes, all my drums, all my acoustic instruments, maybe guitars in one folder, etc. So to do this, what you need to do, and this looks a little different than maybe what you're used to seeing as a beginner. I've just changed the way this looks, and you can go, and I'll do another video on how to change this look. But for right now, I just wanted to simplify and make it so that we can all kind of see what's going on here. All right, so if I highlight and hold down and just drag across, I've highlighted the 4 different tracks that I need. Now, by control clicking, I get a breakout menu, okay? And then right here, we can create a new folder from the tracks that I selected, okay? That's the easiest way to do it. And then what you can do is option click in the box right here, and then you can type in drums. Hit enter, and then you got drums. Okay. All right. Let's say I already had a folder, and it was already set to go. What I can do is I can grab this little icon here, and I can bring it down and into the right here. And what it does is it puts it in the folder. And the cool thing about the folders is there's a little triangle here. It will clear and put everything in that folder, so you have more space for your sequences, etc. More space to look at things. Let me do this again. I'm going to just do this for this MIDI track here, okay? I'm going to control click, and I'm going to go to make new folder from selected tracks, and there it is again. I'm going to hit option. I'm going to name this keyboards. Okay, so now I've got this nested inside of this folder. Now watch this. I can take my drums folder here, and I can nest it inside of this keyboards by kind of going over the right here. So now if I close my keyboards, my drums are nested inside there. Okay. Let's say I wanted to take them out. I could just kind of move this up beyond the keyboard above it, and it becomes unnested in that from that keyboard folder. So it's kind of a good way to get yourself organized, create create a folder. The other thing you can do is if you want, you can actually click on the folder name, and it highlights everything that's in that folder. So it's a really quick way of going through and getting your tracks selected. It's just kind of nice. And if you don't want to do that, you just click inside of the folder itself, and you can select each one. And this is just something that I think is really useful and helpful for organizing yourself inside of Digital Performer. So I hope this helps you. Please like this page and subscribe to this channel. And thank you again. You guys take care.